Hello, everyone. Welcome to Unit 6. Like I mentioned in our Class Connect sessions, there would be a good chance that I would be out this week due to testing, and that is accurate. I actually will be out all this week doing testing, so therefore we will not be having our regular live session times. So for this week and probably part of next, I will be creating quite a few videos just to help you get through some of these lessons and doing some teaching sessions, tutorials, things like that. But I do want to kind of go over with you what Unit 6 is going to look like. So if you look at our pacing guide, um, if you did not do the grade check on Friday last week, you want to make sure that you finished that. It is open till December 19th, but it was due on the 30th, so make sure that you get that completed. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to read a Lou Gehrig speech. And what I'm going to do is I will create a separate video going over that with you. But that will be the first thing that you will do. It's worth 40 points. It's open on December 5th, due on December 6th, and of course you have until the 19th. The next thing that you will be doing is an ethos, pathos, and logos quiz. It is worth 10 points. It is opening on December 10th. It is due on December 10th, and it is open until December 19th. The other quiz that you will also have is an extra credit rhetorical strategies quiz. There is a rhetorical strategies page in the classroom that you will probably want to have open while you're looking at this. It is worth 15 extra credit points, which I know some of you can definitely use that. It is open on December the 12th, due December 14th. Oh, sorry, December 11th. And actually, there is no technical due date for this, but I think maybe I had the 13th on there. I don't know why that is like that. You want to shoot for the 13th to have it completed, but in the classroom, there's not a due date because it is extra credit. And then the 19th is when that will close. The last quiz is an FDR rhetoric speech. It's rhetoric and FDR speech quiz. It is worth 20 points. It is opening on December 12th, will be due December 14th, and December 19th is the last day. During this time, you're also going to know that there will be a semester post-test that will be popping up. It is worth 50 points. It is open on the 19th, due on the 20th. However, you will have until January 3rd, which is the last day of semester 1 to complete that quiz, all right, or that post-test. So please make sure to look at all the videos that we will be covering for Unit 6. Like I said, because of testing, we will not be having live sessions, so I will not be obviously here to do a lot of instruction. So we will be doing that via video. If you have questions, as always, please send me an email or give me a phone call, and we can always chat. So if you have any questions, please let me know, but please look for those videos that I will be creating. Thank you.